Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Hiking Glamour. In this video we are going to talk about the best camping chairs you can buy in the market right now. There are many important things such as weight, packed size, height, comfort, durability, and price when it comes to camping chairs. Keeping these things in mind, I researched and created a list of best camping chairs you can buy. Lastly, you can check the latest price of the products mentioned in the description below. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First one on the list is Kajaro Dual Lock Camping Chair. The Kajaro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair is one of our favorites for use around a campsite. There's nothing fancy about it, but it's well made and locks into a taut position that's firm and comfortable to sit in, far superior to cheap camp chairs that sag and bow. The weight of this chair is 9 pounds 6 ounces. The maximum weight recommendation of this chair is 300 pounds. The Kajaro Dual Lock is really long when it's folded up, and it isn't super lightweight, but it does have convenient shoulder straps on both the chair and the case for easy transport. The Dual Lock seat also sits a full 19 inches off the ground, which makes it comfortably high for both tall and average-sized adults. If you're fed up with uncomfortable, inexpensive chairs that break easily, we highly recommend upgrading to the Kajaro's Dual Lock, which will last for years of use. Second one on the list is Helinox Chair Zero Ultralight Compact Camping Chair. If portability is important to you, the Helinox Chair Zero is one of the best options on the market. It only weighs a pound due to the lightweight, aluminum frame, and it folds up into a stuff sack no bigger than a water bottle. The maximum weight recommendation of this camping chair is 265 pounds. The Helinox chair's nylon scoop seat supports your back in a slightly reclining position, and it's just the right height for your legs to extend comfortably, so it's great for outings to the park or relaxing at the river. If you're looking for the maximum portability without compromising comfort, we recommend the Helinox Chair Zero. However, the downside of this chair is there are no armrests and no cup holders. Third one on the list is Alps Mountaineering King Kong Chair. The Alps Mountaineering King Kong Chair is tough, durable, and made to last. The weight of this chair is 13 pounds, with rugged construction and reinforcement in all the right places. The King Kong is one of the only chairs strong enough to comfortably support up to 800 pounds. In cooler climates or seasons, the King Kong's quilted fabric insulates the body far better than a mesh chair, which means your back won't get as cold when you're sitting around a campfire at night. That said, it might be a bit too warm on hot summer days and won't dry very quickly if it gets wet. It's a hefty chair and not the most portable option, but if a heavy-duty chair is what you're after, the King Kong chair is one of the best chairs on the market. Fourth one on the list is Amazon Basics Camping Chair. If you're looking for an affordable option, the Amazon Basics Camping Chair is a sound choice. The weight of this chair is 8 pounds. The maximum weight recommendation of this chair is 225 pounds. The Amazon Basics chair is simple but unique due to its insulated cooler pocket that keeps up to 3 beverages and ice conveniently close at hand. It also has a single cup holder and a large pocket to hold a book, phone, or other small items. This chair comes in 3 style options, including a padded XL version that will comfortably accommodate a variety of body shapes. While the 2 padded models are generally a bit more comfortable, the mesh version is a bit more breathable. The downside of this chair is it's less durable than other chairs and lower quality materials. Last one on the list is Kelty Low Love Seat Camping Chair. If you'd rather not sit alone, the Kelty Discovery Low Love Seat is a practical and cozy perch for 2. Its best asset is its durability, with a strong, steel frame, thick quilted fabric, and quality construction. The weight of this chair is 15 pounds, and the maximum weight recommendation of this chair is 500 pounds. The heavy-duty materials do, however, make the Low Love a bit cumbersome to lug around. The good news is that the smartly designed carrying case wraps around the chair and buckles so it's easy to pack up. The case also serves as a load hauler for firewood or gear, or a small ground cloth to keep your feet clean and dry. The Low Love seat is comfortable, well-made, and provides a simple solution when seating is needed in a variety of situations. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. If you got any questions or suggestions, feel free to type down in the comments below.